show you how you can get server tags in Discord. First off, your preferred server, you want to go ahead and tap on this server up here, and then you want to first to go to server poos. On server poos, if you want to get tags, you'll have to have a boosted server. So you just want to tap on this boosted server. After that, you will need around 3 to 10 boost servers, so around 6 as well. And then you want to tap on continue, and then you want to go ahead and continue with the payment. Now you can see after that's done, you can go ahead and go back. Once you have went back, you can go ahead and go to the settings again, and then you can go to server settings. On here, you'll see that there's going to be a server tag settings now. Now on here, you can go ahead and enable the server tags. After that, you can pick and choose what kind of server tag you want. Like for example, the image and also the text along with it as well. Again though, if you want this option, you will need to have a boosted server and the boost varies, but you will need to pay around a couple dollars so you can get the server tag here and there.